What up, ladies and gents? It's your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming at you today with, you know what I'm saying, another video. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to it. So, besides me being into, like, you know, tech and into arcades and things of that nature, I'm also a content creator. I'm a streamer, as you guys can tell. You guys see me stream, I mean, twitch.tv/MikeOfAllTradesYT. And you can also catch me on my secondary channel, Mo Plays, where it'll be exclusively gameplay and archives for my streams. And there will be some YouTube exclusive streams like the WWE League that we're bringing back. And you can check all that out right now. So, the thing that we need for our equipment to be good. You know, we need a good webcam. We need our microphone to work, you know. We need good lighting. You know what I mean? We need those kinds of things. So it gets a little pricey sometimes. I mean, granted, you know, right now I'm using a ring light. I'm using the tried and true Logitech C920 webcam. I'm using a Raisin Siren for microphone, which I'm surprised is really good. I'm not even joking because it's a Razer product. It's a product. Actually good. Just saying. But Gamestop is now selling a streaming kit. I can't make this up. GameStop's literally selling a streaming kit. So I was in GameStop like the other week, last week, whatever. I don't know, I've been sitting on it forever. I just haven't even opened it. But yeah, they sell this streaming kit bundle by Atrix for $99.99. It comes with a webcam, which is supposed to boast full 1080p video, autofocus, and low light isolation. The LED light with built-in controls, adjustable brightness, etc., and it's supposed to power up to 515 watts, and then a microphone with a tripod or whatever. So we're gonna check this out. I mean, this is pretty much designed if little Kimmy or little Timmy wants to, you know, record some YouTube content or record some videos or highlights, or maybe they're just starting to stream and they don't want to invest a bunch of money into it, you know, and their parents, if they're underage, whatever, and their parents want to support the dream, they can probably go get it. Or, you know, maybe, like I said, it could be a starter kit. So we're gonna open it up, we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna see if it's any good. You know, the things that store credit can buy. So this is the front of the box. Like I said, $99.99. Picked it up like at my local GameStop. That's the side of the one box. This is the other side with the Atrix logo. I'm assuming Atrix is a GameStop brand because I've never heard of it before. You know what I mean? And there's the back, and this is what it comes with, and this is what everything looks like. So we're gonna find out. Let's get into it. I'm curious because, you know, this, if it's actually really good with the handy dandy scissors, you know, if it's really good, we can actually maybe possibly recommend this to somebody, you know, because some of the cheap webcams and some of the cheap microphones on Amazon, you know, $34. You've seen me review some of this stuff. Some of the stuff's been sent to me by various companies, etc. You know, so it's some of it's not the best. I think the best thing I reviewed was a C920 knockoff. You know, I did a video on that. It's called like a $35 webcam best knockoff, whatever, something like that. Anyway, so got it all undone, and so now, as always, let y'all get the first look, and here we have the inside of the box. Oh. Okay, it comes with foam, so it comes well packaged at least. Oh, there's a small thing of foam. Oh, okay. A thing for everything and everything goes place. You know what I mean? So, what is this? This is, so, directions, paper, you know what I mean? Tells us all in it, you know, Wicked likes to call it toilet paper manuals and whatnot. Here's the arm for the light. Hold on, let me see if I can put this thing down without hitting something. Okay, so this is the arm for the tripod. It's got, okay, and this is the tripod for the light and whatnot. Let's see. Okay, it's got a little bit of a. It's not super long, but it's long enough to stand behind a stand or something. So that's cool. That's impressive. It's actually metal. Really impressive, actually. What else we got in here? We have the mini. There's a tripod for the mic, tripod stand, everything else. We have a power source. I'm assuming the power source is for the light, so you actually have to plug this into the wall. That sucks. It's not USB'd. My light is currently USB, so I can run it through. I can run my light through a USB port. Let's see. A microphone, a clamp for the microphone, and let's pull it out. All right, so here's the microphone itself. That's the microphone itself. It's really small in comparison. So this is actually, look at that. Let's turn a little bit. See, so that's my mic. This is my microphone. Sorry, that's gonna boom a little bit. And this is the Atrix. So, for all intents and purposes, you know, it's not bad. And yes, I keep my mic on the swivel. My right on the swivel. But it's got auxiliary volume controls. It's got a headset port, so you can control. You can put your volume out of there. And yeah, it connects via USB Mini. So okay, it's not bad. Let's look at this webcam. The webcam. It's small. It's small. Like it's tiny. But you know, good things come in small packages, question mark. It opens up. It fits on a tripod. So if you have a mount, which I'm assuming this is for the, it's not for the mount that's in here for the LED light, because that goes on it. But if you want to stick it, if you want to stick it on a monitor, adjustable rotating head. So there's that. That's cool. So yeah, well, okay, there it is. Okay, that's gonna be different. We're gonna have to get a rig up like that. But yeah, it's weird because it has a detachable cable, and I don't know how I feel about webcams with detachable cables because they can become disconnected. You know, the nature you rather have, I guess. But if it were to malfunction or the cable were to bend or snap, or whatever, you could easily replace it. So that's not bad. And last but certainly not least, the LED panel. It's in there snug too. Let me see if I can get this thing out. God dang. Yeah, it was too big for the hole. Too small for the hole. But that's what she said. All right, so, oh wow, look at that. So it looks like a small monitor. That's the LED panel. But look on the back. You can adjust the brightness and the color with knobs. So you don't have to really, I guess, mess with your OBS settings. And there is an on and off switch. So that's convenient. Yeah, and it's tightening and everything else. Oh, and you can bend it, so you can adjust it in case you want to hang it off of something or whatever else. So that's pretty cool. And then underneath it, you have a USB cable. This is for, pretty sure this is for the camera. And wait, you have another USB cable. So one of these is for the camera, and one of these is for the microphone. So that's everything that came in the box. So we'll be back with everything that is in the box connected, and you guys can see and judge for yourself just how the quality is. So be back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. So this is the webcam that came with it. Autofocus. Just a couple things. Like it kept bugging out when I tried to adjust it. So when it says auto, it really means auto. I was able to add a little bit more color myself. Also, the ring light you guys are seeing right now is mine, because look at this. And I didn't know this. Like there's a digital display on the back of it. Like, look at that. Like, I'm saying 0%, 32. So let me kill this light. Get my main one. So adjust it, right? So check this out, right? Just the brightness. And holy crap, that's 100%. Like, that's 100% right there. And so not only can we adjust that, but we can adjust the color. So if we want to make it like less, like, you know, less warm or whatever. Yeah, like the sliders, they work. However you guys get behind it, let's down to like 3%. Very down. And the audio is coming through is currently from my webcam. Not my webcam, but currently from the Atrix microphone. So let's see if we let this down a little bit. Right? So do this and let it through right there, right? So yes, obviously it wouldn't sit right there, but you have enough brightness to where, you know, if you really needed to, you could, like, you know, color would be more warm like that, you know, which that's cool. Me, I'm more of a neutral color guy. Yeah, so that's me. Yeah, I can't say anything. Like the brightness, you know, I don't want to touch the brightness a little bit, but yeah, you can turn it down a little bit, and boom, look at that. Like right now it's on brightness on only 9%. So a digital gauge, like for real, like in this, that's pretty dope. For comparison, you know, I'll turn this off. Yeah. So comparison is that, or that, or else, and oh, and there's a mute feature on the button. So actually, I'll let the mic keep rocking. So for comparison, here's this. That's my actual light. We're gonna turn that off. Enable the Logitech. Okay, so this is my normal setup. Mine's the microphone, right? So let me switch the mic real quick. We'll switch the mic, and you guys can get under. There we go. So this is my normal mic. This is my normal setup. This is normally what it looks like, right? You know what I mean? The light and everything else, you know, it's great. So back to comparisons for everything else, all things considered. You know what I mean? So there's that webcam, and let's switch the mic over. We'll switch the mic back to it, and it appears in the mic and the mic and the cam. They appear. The microphone appears as an Atrix microphone, and the webcam appears as an HD autofocus, whatnot. So everything with the light, and yeah, like legit. And it saves your settings. So right now it's on 13%. Yeah, it saves the setting of the microphone on the floor. Comes on the tripod. So my one gripe about this is that because it comes with this tripod thing, and maybe now that I'm looking at it, you actually could screw it on a stand. So you actually screw it on a mic stand, like right there. So that was gonna be my gripe, but that's not a gripe anymore because you actually can. So you could probably key this in better, you know. You could probably key it in a lot better because I'm literally just plugging it in so you guys can see it. And you can key it in and have everything go from that. You know what I mean? So freaking going ahead and maybe looking like this. Well, let's switch this over. Boom. And yeah, let me switch the audio. So, but yeah, visually you can make that happen. You know, let me switch my audio back over because yeah, I don't know how the audio sounds from this right now, but let's find out real fast. So there we go. And then yeah, like I said, there's a mute. Like you just push it in and out. You can mute in and out real fast. Let me just make sure I'm using the right microphone. Okay, yeah, making sure we're using the right microphone. So I don't know what to say. Like, with some keying in and taking the time and adjusting the values and whatnot, yeah, like the kit's legit. You know what I mean? Like, I might actually like straight up and down, I might actually use this as my light source. Like, I'm not even kidding. That the freaking digital display, the ability to adjust the knobs and stuff, like, you know, like that's great. And all of this is included in a $100 package. Like, I legitimately am thinking about swapping out my ring light, literally, because, like, for you guys, just so you guys can see real quick, you know what I mean? Here, I'll switch over to the other camera real fast. I mean, just so you guys can see real quick, like, this is the setup, you know, like Logitech on the ring light, you know what I mean? Like, that's the setup gimmick right now. Am I gonna switch webcams? No. No, I'm not gonna switch webcams. However, you know what I mean? Like, but that light source, that's a banger. And I don't know about the microphone quality because I haven't listened back to this yet. But if it's really good, I don't know. But it instantly recognized, instantly read, everything else. For $100, for everything that you're literally getting in this kit right here, the microphone, the webcam, and the LED light. The LED light alone, you know what I mean? Let's price it out, right? The ring light that I'm using right now is like, what? It was like 40 bucks, right? You know what I'm saying? 40, 50 bucks. You know? My mic was 100 and something. My webcam's 100. You know what I mean? So we're already like 260 without taxes, with taxes or whatever, right? You got everything in this kit. Literally everything in that kit. And with the way things are going, you know, guys know with like content creation and everything and trying to get certain things, if you're needing some new materials, like some new equipment, like a new mic, a new LED light, if you're in the market for either one of those and the microphone quality just happens to be really good on this, those two alone cover the price of admission. And yeah, I've never had an LED light that adjusts like that. I can put a hard recommend on this kit for little Timmy or Kimmy who's just getting started. You know what I mean? But what do you guys think? Yo, let me know in the comments below. Is this a buy? Is it the pass? You know, if you got some old, like, you know what I'm saying, not to shill for GameStop, but you know what I mean, if you got some games or whatever, dude, you want to get rid of, and you know what I'm saying, or you're not playing, it's $99.99. Like, literally, I walked into my GameStop and I picked it up. You know what I mean? And before anybody in the comment section's like, oh, well, trade 20 games in the GameStop, get $5, which goes to my second thing. Pay attention to the deals. Trade in when there's like extra 30, 40, 50% in store credit or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, pay attention. I'm not a GameStop shill at all. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, like, hey, this is a way in. With some fine tuning and some keying in and whatnot. Yeah, that could be a really good webcam. The only drawback is the autofocus, you know. But even still with the autofocus, you know what I mean? Even with the autofocus, chat, you know, you guys, like, it's zoomed in enough to where it's okay for my setup, you know. I don't know why I didn't think about this first time, just plugging it out. You know what I mean? But, you know, I like it to be a little bit more laid back. I didn't really play with it. I just the color a little bit, but yeah, like, it's not bad, you know. It's probably trying to autofocus because, you know, let's be real, my melanins, you know, it is what it is. But you could key that in for $100. I'd grab that. Actually, I did grab that. Like I said, this might be my new LED light, like, real talk. Yo, but what do you guys think, man? You guys think it's a pass? You know what I'm saying? Should you pick it up? I think you should pick it up. You know, let me know in the comments if you picked it up or if you're thinking about picking it up. Yo, start a conversation. Thank you guys for watching. You know, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're not. You know, I'll leave a link to this product in the description on Gamestop.com if you guys want to check it out and give it a look. It literally just came out, you know. Anyway, I'm MikeOfAllTrades. Thank you guys for checking out this video. And yeah, you know what I'm saying, appreciate you staying here. And like I said, if you're not sub as we make our way to 1K. Catch you guys later. Bye.